Does your Social Security and Medicare contributions for your employees don't match? Welcome to our Y Coffee Break. This is one of our clients that we are working right now because he is about to file his corporate tax return. Then he noticed that his W-2 and then the 940, and what's the difference of W-2 and 940? 940 is the total report that you put to the you report it to the IRS, and also it summarizes the total annual contribution on your Social Security and Medicare that the IRS that you have to report annually. So that's for 940. Whereas the W-2, this is the total wages or income that you gave to your employees. They need that copy. But the problem, he is off by, when he checked his taxes, his 940 is only $13,000 of the Social Security and Medicare contribution. However, his the W-2 says the otherwise, like $15,000 of contribution. Now that's the problem. Where is the gap coming from? He's doing it on his own. He's using payroll software, but that's the problem, is the reconciliation. It falls to the responsibility of the employer. That's why the first thing and the first analysis at the top of my head is maybe he did use the tax deferral under the CARES Act. Because last year, if you remember, under the IRS, they gave some credits, or they helped the Internal Revenue Service gave a tax deferral program for business owners. What does it mean? It's a payroll tax, which means that the employer will not have to contribute for 2020 for any Social Security or Medicare tax, which for their employees, which is around almost 9% all in all. And that's the thing. The problem with this, because it doesn't match, what they have to do at this point is make sure, remember that the identify where is it coming from. If they use this tax deferral option, we can use that, but as an employer, we are responsible to pay that on the next years. It is not free. We are still responsible. That's why the root word is deferral. That's why we have to reconcile his payroll, and then to see where is it coming from to when it started. We want to make sure that his payroll, total payroll deductions for his business is accurate. Because if we're going to report 15,000, that's what it says on the 940 and or on W-2, and then the number was off on 940, then there will be a discrepancy that could trigger an audit for him as a business owner, and you don't want that kind of problem. There you go. If you have any questions about your payroll, we are here to help you. Just let us know. If you like this content, please click share and subscribe, and don't forget, you can always book us for a 30-minute free appointment for any tax, payroll, bookkeeping, and even PPP, because here in YCO Tax, you deserve the max. Stay safe.